If you want to answer cybersecurity SOC interview question like a real cybersecurity professional and not a student, stay here. Question: tell me about a time you identified a phishing attempt. This question tests your email analysis and your phishing detection. The star answer: situation. In a phishing simulation lab, a user reported a suspicious email with a login link. The task: I had to analyze whether it was malicious. The action: I checked the email header, identified the sender domain, and used VirusTotal to analyze the link. The domain was newly registered and flagged as malicious. The result: I confirmed it was phishing, documented indicator of compromise (IOC), and learned how to analyze email headers and URLs. This is the correct response that will guarantee you passing the interview. If you would love to learn more, type love. Have a blessed day.